should have a tripod too. If I could get the tripod out, I might as well use my regular camera. So I didn't even think, look at it. Just look around the corner. I didn't even have to open it up. I just left it as this height, this perfect height. You can see it shooting video. It's so spectacular. And I've been to lots of people. I want to post it because it's like so. I did post a video most recently. Just on YouTube. It's like 25 seconds. The wind farm. Unless you saw it in the last few days. What prompted me to post it, and I remember I was going to about that is I shot it with my still camera driving on my trip to Chicago. I remember thinking, I gotta remember to shoot a video that just, with that camera. I can do it while I have it. What made me think of this, my friend Ryan Madison had shot a picture of his car, like a police car.